Welcome to Image Hut. Now the lunar eclipse is gradually leaving the moon and we are about to see the moon in purity on a Purnima night. Now whatever is visible from the foothills of Kamakya, we are just going to elaborate it with pictures.
In the daytime, around the afternoon, we could not capture the shot because of the presence of sun diffused light source. But now it's dark, and also whatever we are seeing is that the foothills of Kamakya is gradually darkened up, and also the moon is visible, and the moon is with its proximity on a Purnima night, and whatever we are seeing is that gradually the eclipse is leaving the moon. Whatever is there, I can show you in pictures. Just let me allow to click the pictures rather than doing the video. So till then, you enjoy the Image Hut photography in YouTube for your subscribership and also for the beautification of this lunar eclipse, which is of a great importance to us in India. Thank you. The reddishness of the moon with the leaving edge of the eclipse is showing a different kind of drama in the picture, and my intention is to show you that drama. Let's enjoy that drama. It's nature's beauty we should enjoy. Moreover to that, I'm using Nikon D500 and with 200-500 lens. With that arena and the vicinity, we are able to see and locate the moon and along with the eclipse. This is a rare sighting which we can observe from the foothills of Kamakya Hills. If you come to the screen, I can show you whatever I have captured. You see the moon with its partial eclipse, which is visible with the landscape, and the camera has actually captured the moon with this. This is what is visible, and enjoy this lunar eclipse with us. The color and the vibrance matters, and now it's leaving the moon. It's one of the rarest sighting with the time in India. Enjoy it with Image Hut.